Hello and welcome back to another episode of 7 Billion Humans. Year 52, that's where we're at. Sure, let's hop right in the mode code. I think this is gonna be a tough one. It already looks tough, doesn't it? I was driving on a road and I thought, hey, why don't I download? But oh no, there's a toad. Get out of the way, toads. Go back to your abodes. I don't want you to explode. Oops. If only I had slowed. And as for the download, I got an error code. What do you think? I'm thinking I have some really great poetry inside me to share with the world. I agree. You do. What? Your assignment? Okay. I'll just put it over there. You can let me know if you would like me to recite my poem again. How many times does each number appear in the grid there in the center of the room? How many zeros are there? How many ones? How many twos? How many threes, fours, and fives? Write your answer on that row of 6 data cubes at the bottom of the room and place them back on the floor. The first cube on the left should say how many zeros there are, the next cube ones, and so on up to 5. Do not include the cubes at the bottom of the room in your count. The row is only for results. That is interesting. Obvious problem with this. How do we split the workloads between the 6 workers? I mean, there are holes in the ground, very conveniently placed for us to get rid of some of the workers, maybe. But I don't know. How do we even start? This is a very, it's very tough. Just from the get-go here, I don't really know how to tackle it at all. We don't have any labors or anything. We just have zeros here. So how would I start this? We could do something like this. I'm just spitballing, yeah, I have no clue. So if to my left is nothing, I would want to go through all of these and find all the zeros. And go down here and put the number there. So I would want to step to the left, I guess. Until I hit a wall and then go up. Or that's already really annoying, just a setup for this. And then go up until there's a hole to my top left, and then start going right until there's a wall. Or until there's nothing, and then go up. And then go left until there's nothing, and then up, right until up, left, up, right, up, left, up, right, up, left. And do all of that until up is nothing, and then go down and put the number down. God. I don't like this. Yeah, I don't like this at all. How would I do this? I don't know. Can this work? Can this thing I just told you about work? I don't know. I honestly don't. This is gonna be very slow and bad, but it's just... We step left. This is gonna be a mess of jumps and loops. Well, I guess the jumps are the loops. Step left, and if left is a bar, step up. Actually, they are in a row, so we just step up twice. We don't need this. We'll just step up twice. I don't care. We step up twice, and then we step right. So we go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So we end on the left one. Right. We step right. And then if what I'm standing on is the same as mem1, we add 1 to mem2 because we found one and we're happy about that, and then we jump and we do that for a while. And then if to my right is nothing, after I stepped and calced, I want to step up once and then step this is gonna be weird now. You want to step up and then do this. I don't like this very much because it's gonna be more complicated now. Yeah, this is already really ugly. If what I'm standing on is the same as mem1, add up and then go left and loop that. And we'll have to have an if. So on the way back to the left, if up is nothing. Just jump out of all of this. I can't deal with this otherwise. And then also if left is nothing, step up. Oh no, we step up and left maybe. And then jump here. I don't know, let's just see what this does. Oh, yeah, that's bad. We need this inside there, I guess. If left is nothing, and then if up is nothing. But you did count all the zeros, I think. It looked right, at least. Man, this is horrible. This is such a mess already. And yeah, solving it alone is going to be bad, I think, but the optimizations are going to be a nightmare with what I've got going on right here. This is ugly. And we want to loop over this whole thing. And then once we're there, we do... how does nearest work again? And we just go and pick up mem3, we write mem2, and drop. Oh, I don't know. We did something here, but didn't do it quite right. I don't know where it breaks, but it does look like it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. We just need to figure out where it breaks now, which is gonna be a pain, but sure. You're a 5, you're a 4, you're a 3, you're a 2, you're a 1, you're a 0. That seems right so far. So where does it break? I must not be counting some of them somehow, but I don't know which ones. So we'll just let it run. That's probably just like a mistake where I'm stepping and not counting or something like that. I don't know what else it could be. Slow it down again, and then we'll check. Abigail here. We're probably not counting the last one or something like that. That's actually most likely it. Well, let's just check. So she counted 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That seems right. And she's going down there. That's good. But you're the one lady. You have Aubrey. You're at 10 now. She'd go to 11, but she's gonna jump out before. Yeah, so that's the issue. We're not counting the last one. And probably not... I need to... Let's just copy this over. This is... It's like very easy to break something accidentally, I think. So, where do we do this? If left is nothing, if up is nothing, jump. But we do that before we get down here. Why do we do it like this? We just need to change this. We need to also step up and right instead of up. And then step left. And do the calc thing. And then maybe that's it. What is this step? Where does this happen? Oh no, I moved something wrong. This should be... This should be in here still. I moved the wrong thing. This is the one that should be up here. Right? We step left. We step up right, we step left, we calc. And then if left is nothing or up is nothing, or if left is nothing, we step up and left. And if Left is nothing and up is nothing to jump out. That might be it now. Let's see. Yeah. We're only 4 commands over, and we got the time. Wow, I'm impressed. But we are 4 commands over. I don't know. How could we speed this up? Or not speed it up. How could we slim it down, basically? We don't need set mem1 to 0, because mem1 is automatically 0. That's 1 command saved. What else? Three more. So if left is nothing, step left. I think that's smart. And we can't do anything with the nearest here, because we can only do war. And the nearest war is gonna be down here, so that's no good. We wanna end up over here somehow. I don't know how we can do this otherwise. Whore is also not gonna work, because there's a whore here. And I don't even know if I can step next to the nearest whore. I probably can't. So I don't know how I could speed this up. If to my left is nothing, step left. And if left is a war, step up twice. I don't know. I don't think I can do much there to be more efficient. But I also don't know what else I can get rid of. Yeah, I mean, this is the obvious part I don't like, because it's like, if left is nothing, and then you have to step left, and then a loop, and then if a war, and then step up, and then go right. It's like, it's a whole mess of things that seems unnecessary, but is required. We need to get here somehow. I think we can't avoid that, and at least, yeah, no, I don't think we can avoid that at all. There's nothing we can do with the nearest. It would be the only thing to really speed it up. I'm pretty sure. We need this. I guess we could get rid of this jump. But it's nice because then they just stop, and if we don't have this jump here, they'll like step up left and then jump to wherever this goes. Here, and then they step right. A bunch, I don't know. It will only be 1 command. So I don't know. I just like this because it's like down here and then they just end and I don't have to worry about it. And I still need the 2 ifs. I could do if left is nothing and top is nothing, but then I still need if left is nothing to go up. Or up and left, I guess. I don't know. I mean, that definitely seems smart. I don't think tell and listen do anything for me here, right? No. And like, let's just build like the bare bones and see if we can't save something somewhere. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see a good way to... I mean, maybe if we just go... But we can't really split like the... Well, not split, but we can't really, like, I don't know, go up, and then over and down. I don't think that makes a difference. I don't think that saves anything. I don't know how it would. And the whole if left is nothing is required, so I can like count up the variables for the different counters 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise I could just have them all go at once, but they need to get their variable from somewhere. Yeah, not sure. And there's no better way to do the whole get to the war thing, right? I can... Because I don't know, it's like... If I could just... but that doesn't really save anything, right? I mean, like, this works for the first one, but not for anyone else now. Oh, but I could also... Yeah, I could step left here. Then they would all end up here and go here. That's actually better, I think. And then we just start the whole step right thing, right? Step right... in here. That also in here. And if right is nothing, step up and right, and then step left. And do this again. I don't know if we're actually saving much here. It doesn't really feel like we are, but maybe we are, and I'm just not noticing. I don't know if this works now. I don't think it will. I think there's something broken about this, but I don't know what it is. Nope, we got it. We still got a time challenge too, so that's nice. So where are we really saving? Is it just, it's just this part, right? Like the step left, step up thing. Mostly, right? And I think we made this one a little bit better too. But I'm not sure if that's actually true. It might be more complicated than it needs to be still. But it works, and I'm happy with it. So we're moving on. And we'll at least look at year 53, the 100 cubes on the floor. But I doubt we'll get to finish this one. Oh no. Or our data got wiped. For real this time. Okay, don't panic. But we have to fix this before anyone finds out. Okay, let's see. We have 100 cubes, so let's just write all 100 numbers from 0 to 99 somewhere on the floor. Where? I don't care. 1, 2, 3, blah blah blah, 99. Just put them anywhere you like, as long as it looks like legitimate data. And hurry before someone notices. Okay, this is interesting. How do we make this? Because if they are working at the same time, they all have different variables, right? So that's gonna be bad. I don't know. Ah, man. How do we do this? I don't know. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so we want 0 to 9 here, basically, right? And then 10 to 19 here. I hate that they're not all like lined up. But they're not. And we can do some things. We can do like if I don't know. We can't do closest, right? We don't have nearest even. Wow, how rude. Nearest would be nice to have, because I think they are like, this is all like the nearest to them, right? Maybe not actually. I don't know how they would, like, this is also 1 away. And this is also 2 away, and this is also 2 away from her, so I don't know. But we don't have it, otherwise you could have them all go here and then we just do something. Nope, that's not what I meant to do. Actually, both of those I didn't mean. I don't want and I didn't mean. All put together there into one wrong sentence. So everyone steps left. And then if up is a var, pick up red 9. That's only this guy. And then we'd want if up is a cube and up is not 0. Then we want to do a little calc thing here, maybe. We do up plus 10. So you'd get 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. I don't think we can do it like that, actually. Let's not do that. If up is not a data cube, step left. And else, up is a data cube, and then if it is not 0, I don't know if the setup can do anything for us, but we'll try. If it is, we calc that, and then we pick up right mem1 and drop it. So this guy's gonna check, is up a var? Yep, it is. Pick it up, write a 9, and then this is not gonna be true, so it's gonna do this. This is also not gonna be true, I think. So it's gonna ignore all of this, and it's gonna jump, which I don't really want. So it's just gonna jump out of this code loop thing, which I don't like. I don't like any of this. But then once you're out there, you just always step left. You calc. Let's do your right, -1. You pick up that cube, drop it, or write it and drop it. And then you just do that. How is this gonna fail? I don't know yet, but it's gonna fail for sure. Yeah. I'm not dropping here. That's one mistake. So he's gonna do the right thing yet, right? Yeah, he's the only one though. So the second guy fails because up is not a data cube. Right, up is a worker that picked up a data cube. And that's why. No. So if up is not a data cube, you should step left, unless you're this guy. Oh man. And of course, what am I doing? And up is not a worker. Now he's gonna wait. And in this loop he's gonna calc. And now they are gonna do that. Forever though. which is not the best, I guess. Drop, and then if left is of R. We just end and see what that does. I mean, it's not nice when it works. How nice! I'm sure each number really appreciates being part of something, like a grid on the floor. Yeah, we're way over. And kinda over the time too. I expected as much. It's not a nice solution at all, it's just something that works. I just don't really know how to make it much better. I don't think I can make this much better. I think I need a different approach. The order doesn't matter, the equation doesn't matter, but how... I mean, how are we gonna do this? We could just have them step in random directions and pick up and then... But they all have separate memories. Like, how do I work around that? Because I can't work with tell and listen, because then they're just waiting while one works. It's not going to be good. And they're just all gonna have the same like thing, right? If I do, I can't have them go in order. Like I can just do like this, go then this, then this, then this, and then loop around. I don't have anything to do that with. I don't really know. I don't have a good idea. We could actually save a bunch of commands, I think, if we do... this. And this jump just goes here instead. And the same thing here, right? We just calc. And then go here. No? Yes, actually, that's better. Only 3 commands over now. We might be able to get that. I don't think so, but we might. There's still... what else is there still that we don't really need? Nothing much, right? We need that initial step left for this guy. Maybe not, we could have this be 10. And then this jump could just go here. No, it breaks. Why? Oh, because, yeah, it doesn't calc from mem1, it calcs from the right here. Right. That doesn't work, no. What? I hate an egg. I ate an egg. I read that as I hate an egg, and it really confused me, because it's like a very weird thing to say. But I ate an egg, which makes a lot more sense. Can I save all of this? What if I do... What if I do copy? And then I do paste. And I say if... No, yeah, they'll keep stepping now. Because they're dummies. That doesn't work. Oh, I need that first step left. Back too. Haha. I only want them to step at R if they're not on a cube yet. Yeah, we're not getting there. If where I am at is not a cube, or is a cube, let's say is a cube. But I also need the other one, yeah. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. For the timed one, I have some ideas. You could also do if down is var, make a 99 and start from there. And we can also do if up is not 0 or down is not 0, and then do the two different ones. I think I should speed things up, because then we would start from both the top and the bottom. But for the commands optimization, I have no ideas right now. How to save that much. Keep dropping my pencil today too. Yeah, I don't know. I think I need to end the episode here because I'm out of ideas, and that's not a good place to be. Yeah, 3 more commands, I don't know. If you can't... If you get rid of those two... Is it just eventually gonna stop? It isn't, right? Yeah, I don't know how to stop other than that. If I could avoid that, then maybe. I mean, it would just be one command over then, but it's not gonna happen. Actually, I can just pick up this, right? Oh no, but then this guy's dumb. But then I don't need to step left. But he drops it in the wrong spot then. I forgot that they do that, right? We need to step still. That's unfortunate. So we can't do that. Would have been nice, but we can't. And one up here missing, right? Yeah, I don't know. It's a bit of a mess, this thing, for sure, but... If only I had nearest. It would be very nice here, I think. But it might just be inconsistent and not work. I'd still like to try, though. Ah, man, yeah, I don't know. We jump down here. And we need to step before we calc, so we can't have to step down here to save this one step. We can't reuse this step. Wish we could. We cannot. And we still, yeah, we're not ending yet, so we're not actually succeeding with this, so I don't know. The nice thing about the pickup left would be that at the end there they would all say there's nothing to pick up, I think, and that might just give it enough time to register as a solution. Because like this, there's always just one up in the air, at least, because they're not perfectly in sync. I think that's the issue. Maybe I'm wrong. That's why it's not registering as a solution without the end, because they're constantly like picking them back up. And that might be enough to stop that from happening, but I'm not sure. But that's something to keep in mind for next time. But that's it for today. We've unlocked the red path, but we're working on optimization still, and then one more orange one, and then deep into the red we go. But that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.